Hey guys, welcome back to another video with my cousin Perrin. Say hello. Today we're doing we're eating nuggets. So let's begin. We also got some questions on my phone from you guys. We'll eat one first. So we got sauces right here already, opened. Are they good?
Yeah.
Alright. I have a question. What was the scariest thing seen in Australia? What was the scariest thing you saw?
A red-backed spider, or whatever they're called.
Yeah. The scariest thing I saw was a snake. A red belly snake. That's scary. And she just came back from Canada, so she asked if she could do a video with 72 chicken nuggets. Oh. Next question is, I have a question. Why did you do ASMR out of different contents in YouTube? So I done ASMR out of everything else because ASMR was a trending thing like a year ago. So I started that and see where it took me, and I'm here. So, yeah. Next question. If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why?
I would fly because I don't want to walk.
That's a reasonable answer. I would have speed. And thank you guys for all the questions. My question 2 is, what is your favorite meal and have you got any plans for the future with regards to YouTube? I don't really have any plans. I mean, I don't know what you mean by plans. I just hope I'm still successful. And my favorite meal from McDonald's would probably be like a quarter pounder meal. What's yours?
Chicken nuggets.
That's a reasonable answer again. How did you start gaining views? I mean, I don't know. People just clicked on my stuff. So I don't know how to answer that question. And we also got a drink.
Yeah.
We're not killing the turtles, so we have paper straws.
Because the turtles need some saving.
Yeah.
I got really mad because you were using plastic.
Yeah. My question is, who is your inspiration to actually starting YouTube? There's this one girl called Aya Manovich. She really helped me out a lot with my YouTube, and she actually gave me a shout out. So she's my inspiration. Thank you again. Who is your favorite ASMR artist? Do you have any?
You.
Oh, thanks. Do you play any sports? And
Yeah,
what is it?
I play soccer.
What unders?
Under 10.
What is your first ASMR video you ever watched? My first ASMR video I ever watched was with my other cousin. Not Charlie, my other cousin. I watched, I think her name was Inga Eats. This is a girl who just eats. I don't know. That's it for the questions.
That was not a lot.
How much do you think is in each?
24.
I don't know.
20.
I'm nowhere near done. What the?
Surprisingly, we're not laughing.
Yeah. Not done nothing either.
to go.
So guys, I'm filming back on my camera. The last 3 videos I was actually filming on my phone, because I didn't have a memory card for my camera because it broke. So that's why it's probably different quality. And a bit more like further back.
How did it break?
Oh no. So I was walking upstairs and then I had it in my hand and then I don't know, it dropped and like I snapped it. It's like that small as well and it still broke.
Right now, I'm not regretting eating these chicken nuggets, but I know later I will.
Why?
I'm gonna have a stomach ache.
Do you get stomach aches when you eat chicken nuggets?
No, not usually, but like when I eat too many.
Yeah. So good.
I ate too many at one time.
Are you done?
No.
2 left. No, I think I put more in mine. Because in my last video with my friend, there was like 20 in his and like 30 in mine.
Why?
I don't know. They just put however much they want to equal up 72.
Wow.
Still a lot of nuggets.
I have one more nugget.
And that's done. You want to start on this or are you full?
I don't know. Some of the chicken nuggets are like 90% of breading and the other 10% is like chicken. That's
It's
why.
not healthy, but
No.
they make it so good. What?
If it's empty, just get another one.
No, there's no point. There's only 1 nugget left.
There's some of mine. I'm done. Tired from eating chicken nuggets.
My jaw hurts. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. What do you want to say?
Save the turtles because they're dying because you all are using this plastic from this factory.
You need to use paper.
Yeah, paper.
Yeah. Bye.